Hello, 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 everyone. How you doing? Well, it's Dione Irwin here with the Dione Irwin Real Estate Team, Remax House of Real Estate. And I hope you're having a great Monday. Happy Monday, everyone. I am in Airdrie. Oh, hey, Tyler. I'm in Airdrie today, 902 Channelside Road in Airdrie. So I'm in the canals today. I'm going to give you a tour of this awesome home. This home is so clean, has such a great layout. I'm going to give you guys a tour. So it is centrally located in Airdrie. If you don't know Airdrie, it's a nice central location. You can walk to everywhere you want to walk to from here. Schools, shopping, restaurants, pubs, whatever you like. So it's really great for that. Lots of parks around here. There's the canal very close by. You can walk there. So it's a great area. It's a great area to be in. So hey, how's it going, Tyler? I hope you are doing well today. It's a bit of a gray, cloudy day. It feels like fall. The leaves are still green though here in Airdrie. They're not really changing. So anyway, I'm excited to show you this house. It's a really cool layout and it's coming to the market really soon. So later on today, it's going to be coming to the market. So if you want to see it, it's so easy to see. You can get into this house quickly and you could have a quick possession if you wanted that, if you needed that. You could do a quick possession. So it's got a lot of great things. Look at the office. There's a home office behind me. It's a window though. So you can see out here, but they can't hear you. You can go in there and make phone calls and everything, but it's totally enclosed. Hey Jen, how's it going? Hope you're doing great. Okay, well, it's kind of wet out there. I was gonna show you guys the front of the house. I should show it to you. I gotta put my shoes back on or take my socks off. Which one should I do? I don't know. Oh man, okay, I'll put my shoes on. I will put my shoes on. Okay. Did everybody have a good weekend? I hope you did. Have a great weekend. Got a little bit of rest maybe. Did some fun things. Okay, I got my shoes on. Okay, let's go outside. So Plush did the staging here. They just finished. Did a great job as usual, and I will show it to you. We have the photos already. So we're just waiting to get everything online and make it live. Okay, so I'm going to show you the street. It's a really nice street. Flip this around. Oh. And I've sold many houses on this street. It's a great street to live on. So there we are. Here's the street. Lots of really nice houses. This has quite a good sized lot. This house. 902 Channelside Road. Okay, so here we go. There's the front of the house. It's got the second balcony up there, which I think is so cute. There's a beautiful west view from that balcony. So it's a corner lot. There's a ton of parking all the way along there if you need it. Okay, so here we go in. It's got a very large veranda, so if you, or front step, so if you want to put a table here for the morning sun, or the morning, no, that'll be also the west. For the evening, you could put it here. The back would be a great spot to have your morning coffee. You can catch all that east sun. Okay, so here we go. So you come in and it's got a really nice layout. So it's not your typical layout. It's open to below. So we got this really nice 2-story entry Upgraded railings. It's got a skylight up there, so there's a lot of natural light coming in. Okay, well, let's just, okay. So, and they put new flooring. They've got really nice laminate flooring, really durable wide plank laminate. It's a really good one. And then you've got your dining area right here. Hey, Megan, how you doing? Okay. And so you come around here and you have your open concept kitchen with granite. It's got the cool glass blocks right there that lets in the light. I love those. Just in the really nice backsplash. It's a nice stone backsplash. Okay, so you have your little kind of everyday eating area here. It's so nice, Megan. And today I turned the fireplaces on because it's chilly. I want to show everybody this house has 2 fireplaces. So you've got a really big living room here. There's a ton of space. So if you like entertaining, it wouldn't feel crowded because there's a lot of room for people to kind of hang out in this place. You could put a really large sectional here if you wanted to. Just gives you an idea of what you could do, but you could do bigger furniture if you want. Okay, corner pantry. Pot and pan drawers. This is a really nice prep area, a really nice island for prepping. It's no sink, nothing to get in your way, just a nice piece of counter for prepping. Could be good for baking or whatever. Okay, now the backyard has got this large shed, it's got a fire pit and a nice stamped concrete patio. So it's super easy to keep clean. They've got the composite steps there. Really nicely done. Really, really neat. All fenced all the way around. Okay. So thanks for joining, everyone. If you know somebody looking for a house in Airdrie, you make sure you take a peek, and if you think they would like it, send them this video or tag them right now. You can share it on your page. Okay. Here's this part that I really love. Here's the main floor office. So it is a really good space. There's a desk there. There's your windows. You can see what's going on. And it lets in the light. And then also, there's room. We've got a chair here, but you could have 2 desks in here if you wanted to. We just have a little sitting area. This could be like a room for if you do like aesthetics. It could be to meet clients. It could be just for you to work in, but also it's got a nice door that closes with this upgraded glass, so all the light comes in. So it's nice and bright in there. And it's right off your front door, so if you do have people over, you're not going to have them walking through your whole house, right? Okay, we got laundry right here, nice laundry set. And then our garage. It's a very deep garage. You could fit a truck in here. And it's really well finished. It's nicely finished for sure. I don't know if this used to be the show home. I should know that. Maybe. It looks like the garage is really nicely finished, so I'm going to find that out for you. Okay, if not, it's a very nice garage. Very nicely done. All right, let's go upstairs, everyone. Okay, so we go up the stairs, and right at the top of the stairs, we've got the primary suite. So double doors, primary suite, huge bedroom, king bed easily. Dresser could go here. Okay, here's the ensuite, double sinks, walk-in closet, and you got a separate shower and tub. And once again, you have got the little bit of light, the glass blocks, privacy, but lets the light in. Then you have your window with the blinds that close. Okay. And the bedrooms are very large in this space. So queen beds easily fit in here in the secondary bedroom. So there's one. Here's your main bath upstairs. Right there. And then here's your second bedroom. Really good sized bedrooms, which is hard to find. So this house is about 2250 square feet. Yeah, isn't it so, I'm just looking at the comments. It's very clean. I love it. Knockdown ceilings. Okay, Now, check out the bonus room. What do you think about this space? Sunny, very big. It's a great space. Second fireplace. Check that out. There's room for everyone up here. I think there must be some wiring behind here for the TV. Yes, there is. And then it goes down to here. So you don't have to have any cords showing. It's all in behind. So that's also nice. And then this is one of the best parts. Right through here, we've got this really cool balcony. So you can sit here, take a peek, look at the nice view, just relax a little bit, right? Check things out after a long day. Come and hang out there. Okay, the basement's unfinished. We could go take a peek though. Let's go take a peek. You guys love it? You love this house. I love it too. It is a great house. It's such a good space. It's very open. It's a very open concept home. It's definitely it could fit a big family if you need that. Okay, let's just check out the basement. It's unfinished, but we need to look and show you guys what it's like for finishing, if you need to add a bedroom or something. So there's 3 bedrooms in this house right now. Okay, so it's quite a large basement because, well, it's got a pretty big footprint. So it's not too exciting because it's not finished, but so right here we've got the bathroom rough-in, right there. And we've got our hot water tank and furnace. It's a high efficiency furnace, and it looks like a pretty new hot water tank as well. These are good things to know. And then you could easily, I don't know what, you could put 2 bedrooms down here if you wanted. You got some nice big windows. Let's see. Oh, sorry. I know this isn't exciting to see down here, but some people really like to see this. So you could put, actually, no, I think you'd make this your family room here, this whole area right here. And then over here, I would say put your bedroom. So bedroom here, bathroom right over there, and then family room. But if you needed 2 more bedrooms, it would be quite easy to do that as well down here. So there you go. You know what? And some people do like that blank space of a basement, right, Megan? Some people don't want it all done because what if it's not done the way you need it or like it? I mean, yes, finished basements a lot of times are really good, but sometimes you want to do your own thing. Okay, so this will be coming on the market later today, and the price is $608 on this beauty. So if you want to see it, you know what to do. Message us. Get your realtor to message us. We'll be happy to show it to you, me or somebody from my amazing team. And I'm just going to keep working and real estating. Hope you guys have the good rest of your day. Thank you for watching and hanging out with me today. And I hope to see you soon. Bye, everybody.